This is for question 15 of the multiple choice from chapter 1 review. So this is another speed question. We're given that Bronwyn walks 1 lap of the oval at a certain speed and then jogs 8 laps at a different speed, and it takes her 30 minutes in total to complete the 9 laps. So first things first, I know it's a speed question, so speed equals distance over time. Now we're given that she takes 30 minutes in total, so time might be a good equation to formulate. So we'll make time the subject. Time is distance on speed. Now I know it takes her 30 minutes. You notice that the units here are 30 minutes, are in minutes, and the units of the speed are in hours, or kilometers per hour. So it's very important that we make the units consistent. So we'll work in hours. We know that 30 minutes is the same as 0.5 hours. So 0.5 is the total time taken. We know that's made up of the time taken for her to walk the oval, walk 1 lap of the oval. So it means the distance, the time taken for her to walk 1 lap of the oval is distance divided by speed. We don't know what the distance is, so we'll leave it as d. But we do know that the speed is 2.5 kilometers per hour. Now, we also need to find the time taken, or expression for the time taken, for her to jog 8 laps of the oval. We know she jogs at 5 kilometers per hour, so the speed is 5 kilometers per hour. But the distance is obviously 8 times the distance she walked it, because she made 8 rounds. Now I can actually solve this equation because we've got 1 variable and 1 unknown, 1 equation. So we can actually proceed with solving it. I can double the first fraction on the numerator and denominator to make that over 5. So that's a nice number we can combine. So that's 10d on 5. 5 times 0.5 is 2.5. 10d. Divide both sides by 2.5. d and 2.5 divided by 10. And we know 2.5 divided by 10 is the same as a quarter. So we know d stands for distance, and the units are in kilometers, so a quarter of a kilometer is 250 meters. So each lap is 250 meters.